Hello gardeners, have you ever dreamed of harvesting a bountiful potato crop from the comfort of your balcony or patio? Imagine sinking your hands into rich soil and pulling out golden potatoes. Growing potatoes in containers isn't just easy, it's very fun too. In this article, I'm going to share the secrets and techniques for container growing potatoes with plenty of yields, even if you have no experience at all. Be sure you watch through to the end, as I'll be sharing my #1 tip that revolutionized my harvest forever. A couple of years ago, I was tired of my small garden. I thought it was impossible to grow potatoes when you don't have a big space for a garden. I went on watching videos of urban gardening, but everything seemed out of reach. Then came knowledge about growing potatoes using buckets. It was awesome. My first harvest was over 20 pounds of fresh, delicious potatoes, all from some simple pots. If I can do it, you can do it too. Before we start, leave a comment below. Are you a veteran container potato person? Or are you new to this? I just love knowing what your experience has been in the garden. First, let's talk about the pot. Use grow bags, plastic pots, or even old compost bins. The most crucial thing is that there is some drainage. Get pots that are a minimum of 15 gallons in size so that your potatoes have plenty of room to develop. Among some of the best options are potato grow bags, in which it is extremely easy to harvest by opening the bottom flap. If you don't have much space, plant potatoes vertically in deep pots, and they will work miracles. Don't buy supermarket potatoes indiscriminately. You need certified seed potatoes in order to avoid disease. Potatoes such as Yukon Gold, Red Pontiac, or fingerling potatoes are perfect for pots. Cut up the bigger seed potatoes into pieces with at least 1 eye per piece and let them dry for 1 to 2 days to prevent rot. This is a step that is strictly necessary. Most beginners forget when growing potatoes in pots. Use high-quality potting soil with organic compost mixed in. Potatoes are greedy feeders, so adding slow-release fertilizer will encourage growth. Fill your container to about 1/3 of the way. Place the seed potatoes in the container with the eyes towards the top. Cover with 4 inches of soil and water extremely well. Hill up potatoes as the plants grow, adding more soil to cover the stems. This encourages more tuber production and prevents sunlight from causing them to turn green. If you're learning something new, drop a comment and let me know which potato variety you're excited to try. Potatoes love consistent moisture but hate soggy roots. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. They also need full sun, so place your containers where they get at least 6 to 8 hours of direct light. For best results, rotate your pots occasionally to give your plants even light exposure. This tip avoids spindly, straggly growth and boosts your container potato yield. At about 10 to 12 weeks, when the flowers are blooming and leaves begin to turn yellow, it's time to unveil the booty. Pour out your pot or unzip the flap to find a bounty of homegrown potatoes. Harvest time is the highlight, especially when you're imagining you grew them yourself, even if you don't own a backyard. That's the magic of container gardening. Here's the trick I was promising. Always mulch potatoes in pots with straw or shredded leaves. This will keep the soil cool, retain moisture, and suppress weeds. I've doubled my harvest since I began mulching. If you enjoyed learning how to grow potatoes in containers, give this video a like, subscribe to further urban gardening tips, and share this with a buddy who wants to grow food anywhere. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below. What's the most difficult thing about container gardening potatoes? I respond to everyone and love helping you grow more food. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, a tiny space can turn into a blooming garden. Happy planting!